So if we're aware of the environment we're in, that's why where you live, how much nature is around you is so important, because you become a different person when you live in New York City on the 17th floor, or when you're living with your feet barefooted on the earth in Bali. Um, so just very simple, input is output. And I work with truffles, I make sure that it's a curated setting where people feel safe and really can go within, because you need safety to really say, I close my eyes and go within. If there's no safety, your natural want to look outwards.